Hey guys, it's just Ayah, and I've been thinking to do a video like this for a long time now, but it never works out. Like, we never get a good situation to make long videos, and like, we're out of ideas. But today, Epic has arrived, and I'm so excited to show you. And today, I'm doing an art vlog, and let's first get into this unboxing. So, let's unbox this thing. Look how giant it is. Can you see it? Like fits the whole frame. But if when you see what's inside, like you will be like, wait, let me show you. Okay, so this is the whole package. Let me put the camera a little bit behind so you can see. Okay, I ordered it from Flipkart and the item it's like already open. This is the thing that I ordered. Can you guess what it is? I know no one's gonna guess what it is, but this may look like a tent or something. Let me show you what it is. It even has like this. I just think, look, when you're like going out, you can carry this with you like a professional artist, and it says Adori X Picora. I don't know what that says. Says something like that. So let me show you what's inside. Oh my god, look what is inside. Okay, now it's empty. Look at this. What is this? I have no idea what this is. But there's no instructions. Oh, there seems to be no instruction, and I don't know how to use this thing, but we'll figure it out. You can figure it out. But let me tell you what this is. This is an easel. Easel or easel. I don't know how it is. I don't know how it's pronounced. Guys, let me tell you what this is. It's an easel, and it's something that all the artists like have to put their like canvases and paint. Like, but let me just show it first. So it mostly easels are made out of woods like this, but it's like expensive, and I'm a bit too cheap to buy an expensive easel, so I bought this, and it's under 400 rupees from Flipkart. And look, this is the thing, and let's set it up and show you. I don't know how to do it, but we'll figure it out. Okay, but there's no instruction, so I don't know how to do this. Whatever. So let's get into this video. And finally, after trying for a long time, I finally did it, and let me show you. And I'm so excited to show you it. Now, let's see it and I'll show you. Maybe you will get a hint what this thing is. So here it is. Ignore the tripod, but this is the thing. I don't know if you still get what it is, but you put a canvas over here and you sit down or stand up and you paint like, yes, like that. And it could also go even more like up. It's the same size as me. Like, see? And I'm so happy, and I can like adjust this thing. It's only like under 400 rupees, and let me show you how it looks with a canvas or a painting on it. So guys, I can make it like a little bit more taller, but this is how it looks right now, and it's so amazing, and I don't know why I'm so excited. But now let's do some calligraphy painting. I have something in my mind, and I'm going to take you guys with my painting journey. So let's go. So messy over here, but ignore the mess. So let me take all the stuffs that I need. I may need this, and these two are the new thing that I bought. It's gesso, and I'm gonna use it for the first time, and I will show you how I'm gonna use it, and I will paint on top of it. And I'm thinking to do something based on calligraphy, and wait, watch till the end to see the results. I use some gotcha paint because why not? There's my paintbrushes inside this, and I will show you. And we need some tissues. So there's the tissues. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وعلى bizikrillahi tatmainnul qulub.
Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. This is an ayah from the Quran in Surah Ar-Ra'd, chapter 13, verse 28. It is one of the most beautiful verses that I ever heard, where you find peace within Allah. And this verse has inspired me and healed me in so many ways. And I'm going to paint this verse on my canvas today. So watch till the end.
Guys, I don't think I can finish the painting today because I've been sitting to paint since 5:30 p.m. and now it's Maghrib, almost 7 o'clock, and I need to go pray. And so I can't do the whole video today. So I'm just gonna paint tomorrow and I'm gonna add those clips in this video. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna show it in this video and I hope you like my paintings. So guys, this is a phone case that I made with corn flour. I'm just gonna show that to you also in this video. And see, this is why we cannot take more long videos. This is the reason. Like the time passes so quickly and we can never finish a video. I usually end up deleting everything. And that's it for today, and thanks for staying till the end, and thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, it will help a lot. So make sure to subscribe and click that like button, and thanks for watching, and see you guys next time with more videos like this. So bye guys. Oh, pains on my hands.